Hi there. This is like my 8th attempt at recording this, so I'm going to do this kind of on the fly here. So, thank you for watching my Plan With Me video this week. This washi tape I found at a Walmart. I found it actually in the stationery section. It's like $1.50. I found it maybe about 6 weeks ago, so you might still be able to find it in the stationery section, especially if you have a super Walmart. Now, my normal, regular Walmart didn't have this, so it might be super Walmarts only. And I don't normally use a whole lot of washi tape in my planning, but this week is going to be mostly, well, not really mostly, but lots of washi tape. Well, by my standards, lots of washi tape. I think I actually only use 2 different kinds of washi in this one, but for me, that's actually a lot. So I'm gonna use my EK Success Tools powder tool to help kind of get rid of some of the stickiness on the other side, because I had already punched the holes in this before I decided that I wanted to do the whole washi tape in the, what do you call that? In the margin there. So I'm going to use thin washi, and this is from the Happy Planner Brights, and I'm going to link to it in the description below. But this is just thin washi from the Brights collection for the Happy Planner, which you can find at just about any crafting store, but I'm going to link to it on scrapbook.com below. And I'm using this to mark off the days of the week. I'll do Monday through Thursday there on the left, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on the right, and a section for goals. And I just started off by going down the middle, and I just eyeballed it. I didn't measure it, and then splitting each half in half again. And I'm going to trim it up with my scissors. And I'm still getting over a cold that I caught on October 18th, so if I have a coughing fit, I'm going to edit it out. Otherwise, I'm just going to run with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and pin in the dates here, and I'm just going to freehand this with a Tombow. I don't remember off the top of my head which number of marker that is, but I did look it up, and I'm going to put that in the description below and on the blog post. Yeah, I'm still getting over this cold that I came down with back on October 18th, and I remember what day I came down with it, because that was the day our department had their annual scholarship banquet, and I got sick during the banquet. It wasn't like, visibly really, really sick, but, I had the coughing and the tickle in my throat, and at the end, all the people at our table were like wanting to shake my hand, and I'm like, no, you don't want to shake my hand, but it was very nice to meet you. I'm going to go ahead and pin in the days of the week, and I thought this color was called Sage, but it's actually not called Sage. I don't remember what this color is called, but it is a kind of a sage color. So I'm just alternating it. If the date is on the left, then I'm writing the day of the week on the right, and vice versa. And this week I'm gonna use more stickers than I normally use, but I'm also gonna go ahead and use, I think this is going to be the last week that I can use my fall Prima Planner stamps. So very sad to put this stamped up again for another year. But yeah, time to break out the Christmas after this. So I'm stamping out that says Thanksgiving, and I'm going to use this wheat kind of looking stamp to stamp around it and call attention to it, help decorate it a little bit. And sorry, I don't mean to be like clearing my throat in y'all's ears, but I'm almost over it. So close. And the inks that I'm using are archival ink. The green is leaf green, that maroon color is plum, and the orange, I want to say, is Monarch Orange, but I could be wrong. I will definitely link to it in the description below. This other stamp set is from Heidi Swapp. I don't know where I got that from. Heidi Swapp, and I think it's Adventure Awaits or Big Plans, one of the two. And I would link to it if I could. Unfortunately, this stamp set has been discontinued for quite a while. I found it at Tuesday Morning about 2 years ago. And I use it on both my scrapbooking and my planning because the stamps just work so well for both. Because as you can see, it's got this lovely day off, and it's got this like a GPS pin, because we are planning to do a little bit of traveling that weekend after Thanksgiving. So I used that map pin to so that I would have a spot to write in where we're going to be going. This stamp set is from Neat and Tangled, and it's called Blog Planner, and I will definitely link to that because it is still available. I'll link to it on scrapbook.com. And I'm going to alternate between using that, I can't tell if it's Monarch Orange or one of the other oranges that I have, and Plum. And then I'm going to use, in the Blog Planner stamp, it's got a stamp that says to do, which I'm going to use for the days of the week to, I'm going to stamp that there at the top of that to-do list. And I'm going to use that to just call attention to some of the things that have to get done those days. And then in my goals section, I'm going to stamp out the word blog on the one, I think on the left. And then on the right, I'm going to stamp out a stamp that says work, but I'm going to use Technique Tuesday. And I think the stamp set is called Important. It says Planner Fitness there on that one. I don't know why, but that stamp set is also still available, so I will link to that on scrapbook.com. And I am going into the seasonal stickers for the Happy Planner. This was the first sticker pad I bought. I don't know if I should be ashamed that I've been a planner for as long as I have and not bought any Happy Planner stickers. But yeah, I broke down and bought my first pad. My first sticker pad about 4 weeks ago. And I'm actually kind of liking it. I didn't think I would, but I found this at Walmart, and they're $12.97 or something like that at Walmart. Pretty reasonably priced compared to the $19.99 regular price, but whoever pays regular price at the craft stores. But yeah, I think they were like $12.97 at Walmart. They also have one of the watercolor sticker pads, which after I tried this sticker pad out, and I realized that I could do stickers, I went ahead and broke down and bought the watercolor set too, which if you watch my Instagram, you will probably have seen some stickers from that collection in my planner. So we're just about done here. I just need a couple more. I think I just need a couple of bullet points at this point. Or nope, I'm just going to do some decorating at this point. That week before Thanksgiving, almost nothing gets done. So I'm just kind of looking for some fall leaves because I need something in that upper left-hand corner. It was just looking kind of bare. And that sticker is going to stay, but this sticker is going to go back in the sticker pad. And I do like how easily these stickers just peel right back up and go right back down on the sticker sheet. But it still looks a little bit bare, so I'm going to pull at least one more leaf sticker and put it down there. Yeah, right there next to Tuesday. And then I will trim off the edges and call it done. And naturally, I get to the end and my computer beeps at me. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you'd like to see more, click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks. Have an awesome week.